IKASA large frog, stuffed animal plush toy, giant frog, cute jumbo soft toys, huge big size plushy fluffy fat oversized plushie, gifts for kids girls boys girlfriend children's, 30 inches, green. Wonderful gift, this stuffed animal is suitable as a birthday, Christmas or Valentine's gift. Esstaa Rainbow Bunny Plush Stuffed Animal Rabbit Soft Toy Cute Little Gift for Girlfriend Little Kids Girl Boyfriends 12-inch. Featured gifts, suitable for birthdays, Easter, Christmas as gifts. It can be given to your children, friends, and lovers. TILLYOU Cartoon Platypus Stuffed Animal, Plush Toy for Boys, Baby Stuffed Animals for Girls Toddlers Kids, Black Orange, 10-inch, sitting height. Give your little baby a big surprise. The cute stuffed platypus can be a baby shower gift, and is presents for birthday, holiday, Christmas for your baby or grandson. Warranty and small tips: we packaged the stuffed animal in a vacuum bag. After you received, pat its head, baby, arm, leg slightly, and wait a while, make it inflate enough. White Easter Bunny Stuffed Animal Rabbit Plush Toy Easter Gift Soft Rabbit Lovely Realistic Stuffed Animal Toy Easter Bunny for Girl Baby Kids Toddlers Birthday. Cute plush bunny. This is a sitting bunny stuffed animal with long ears and bright eyes. As a doll toy, soft plush stuffed animal is also decorating the children's room. Soothe your baby's emotions and sleep. Kindly notice, vacuum packaging. Plush toys are not machine washable, you can wash by hand. We attach great importance to your shopping experience. If you have any questions, please contact us in time. Hopearl LED Musical Stuffed Husky Light Up Singing Plush Dog Adjustable Volume Lullaby Animated Soothe Birthday Festival for Kids Toddler Girls, Gray. Considerations: please do not wash it and keep away from fire. It takes 3 AAA batteries, but the batteries are not included. Remove the battery if you do not use it for a long time. If you have any problems with the product, please contact us, though Amazon message. We will reply as soon as possible and provide you a satisfying solution.